Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw an ice cream pop, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a round curve here, downwards and to the right, and upwards again. Now just following with me. Draw two round big eyes, insert with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now we have a cute ice cream pop. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.